Jasmy coin holders, we have some breaking news right now for Jasmy coin, because if you take a look into the charts right now, you can see that Jasmy coin has pumped to the upside to our primary target in the channel, which is this green zone. This is a target for the symmetrical triangle breakout, and we have already met the target, which is absolutely insane. So right now we will be talking about the recent price action, what can we expect for the Jasmy coin price from here, and also much more. So you don't want to miss this update video I have for Jasmy coin. Jasmy, so right now we are inside the 4-hourly time frame, and as you guys can see, for the past couple of days, Jasmy coin has broken out of the symmetrical triangle, which we have spotted a couple of videos ago. I gave you guys a warning about this. I said if we break above this triangle, expect a pump to this target right here, which is this green zone, which we have successfully met recently, which is good news. But what can we expect right now for Jasmy coin? Because we have already met the target, could we still go higher from here, or are we not going to be expecting a dump towards the downside? So a major warning, because I have been talking about this for quite some time now on the channel, and let me just zoom out into the longer weekly time frame, because the next major resistance is specifically at this blue zone, and it starts at around 0.028 cents. So look out for that level, because that will definitely be acting as strong resistance for Jasmy coin. So from here, I would just advise you guys to be cautious when you're trying to buy right here, because again, we have already met the target for this symmetrical triangle breakout. Therefore, we could now expect some sell-off happening in the short term. We could expect this level right here to act as resistance. Therefore, we could expect a potential short-term pullback for Jasmy before ultimately reversing to the upside, putting in higher highs and higher lows, and continuing the uptrend essentially. Now, before we discuss my mid to long-term view for Jasmy, a quick word from our sponsor. Now, real quick, before we proceed with the video, I would like to show you guys how I am taking advantage of this upcoming crypto bull run by earning interest from my cryptos and doing absolutely nothing. So I have been using this platform called Cryptonomy recently, and I have been seeing some decent returns just by letting my money sit in on this platform. And what's crazy is that this platform has a ton of features, such as staking your cryptos and earning interest in them, and the ability to borrow money and even let the platform build your own crypto portfolio. As you can see, I have $2,000 in my Cryptonomy account, and funding the account is pretty easy, and you probably already know the process in doing so. All you have to do is search the coin you want to make a deposit on. As an example, let's use ICP. Click deposit, and then copy the address and use the address to make a deposit. Now, I will show you how I am earning interest from my crypto. Now, all you have to do is go to interest account and select a coin you want to deposit your funds into. In my case, we're going to be trying USDT. Click deposit and just follow what the prompts ask you to do. It's pretty easy and straightforward. We're going to do max, continue, deposit, and it'll confirm the deposit. Now, as you guys can see, I have deposited $700 into USDT, and now I am earning interest from this deposit, which is crazy. You can also do this with other cryptos such as Bitcoin. You can do deposit, you can do max, continue, deposit, great. Now, as you guys can see, we have deposited $700 again, another $700 into Bitcoin. We're earning interest from this one. Now let's do your favorite crypto, which in the channel, your favorite coin is ICP. I'll make a deposit of, again, about $700. Continue. Now, as you guys can see, we have deposited $700 into ICP, and we're now earning interest from this one. You can also swap and exchange your coins within the platform, which is another handy feature. Transactions on the platform have no fees, so they're free. You can also withdraw your funds quickly, and I just love the user interface. Now, be sure to go check out Cryptonomy by using the links below the description of this video, and I invite you guys to join the project and learn more about it. Now, back to the video. Now, let's talk about my mid to long-term perspective or view for Jasmy. So, as I have been discussing in the channel, my view still remains the same, as the bull run comes, I believe that we are primed for higher prices for Jasmy coin. At the moment, we are trading right here, and that is at around 0.024 cents. But my target for the immediate short term is going to be a pump towards the supply zone right here, and that is at around 0.034 cents until 0.048 cents. And then now for my mid to long term view for Jasmy, I am expecting a price target of around 0.07 cents, and also this next supply zone at 0.18 cents. So yes, I'm definitely feeling bullish in the mid to long term for Jasmy, but in the short term, I believe that you guys should be very cautious right now because we have pumped so much. We are now trading close to a supply zone, which is going to be acting as a resistance, and in the short term, we have already met the target, which we have been discussing in the channel for quite some time now. So if you follow my signals, congratulations, you're now in profits. So do be sure to take profits on the way up, and also if you want to, you can invest on the way down, but not financial advice, of course. That's a quick update. If you guys would like to learn how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.